Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Look at this colorful fan. Let's learn how you can make it at home using paper cup. So take this white paper cup, make a hole at the center and make multiple cut on the side. Now take colorful sketch pens and draw different designs. Look how we are drawing the flowers and cut it from the corners. After this, simply take an earbud and put it at the center and take this straw and put it at the back side and look, it's ready. Look at this flying parachute craft. I'm sure kids gonna love it and it's a perfect activity. So let's learn how you can make it. So take this polythene and then cut it from the top. After this, we're going to fold it and make this triangular shape, make a hole. Now using this thread, we're going to sew it like we're doing here in this video. Hold the thread and then put it at the center of the bottle cap. Paste it like we're doing here. Roll it and when you throw it, it will become a parachute like this. Let's make a fun craft using this transparent straw. So let's get started. As you can see, we're going to make 3 cut and then tie a knot like we're doing here in this video. Repeat the same process from other side as well and the front portion is ready. Keep doing it like we're doing in this video. Fold it and then pull it and we're going to hold it from the other side as well and repeat the same process. We're making an insect here and as you can see, we're going to keep folding it and tie a knot like we're doing here in this video. The front leg is ready. Now we're going to make multiple cut from the back side and then we're going to further cut it from the top as well. Give it shape like we're doing here in this video. You can paste an eye and look, it's ready. Let's make a fun craft today using this old box. As you can see, we're going to cut the box, make 2 holes, put the stick and put the bottle cap and make the tires. Now we're going to put this pink color of paper as well, paste it and make multiple cut and then we're going to paste more paper, decorate it further by pasting this green color of paper and googly eyes and look, it is ready. Look at this moving caterpillar fun craft. Let's learn how you can make it. So take this green craft paper and cut the shape of the leaf. Make multiple fold, open it and it's ready. Roll this paper and paste it at the back side. Let's make the caterpillar. So take this tissue and using this refill, we're going to fold it like this. Paste it and remove the refill by squeezing the tissue paper. Now draw these lines and paste it like we're doing here and it's ready. So we're going to cut these eyes, draw it on this paper, color it and cut all of them. After this, we're going to paste them on the top of this transparent gloves, fold it and tie it like this using this rubber band on the top of the paper cup and it's ready. Let's make these growing caterpillar craft using tissue paper. So take a tissue paper and draw lines using colorful sketch pen and then roll it and then we're going to paste it and squeeze it like this. Now we're going to draw some eyes and dots and look, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.